peeps? Mr.Bones back at you. I've got an unboxing here from my buddy Maverick over at Maveryk-Media. Maverick's an awesome guy, and he loves to have fun with streams and has been doing giveaways every Friday leading up to Scream 6. He's doing watch-alongs for Scream 6 and does occasional giveaways that are usually for steelbooks. And this past Friday, he did a special giveaway for 500 subscribers because he reached 500 subscribers. And yeah, for his 500 subscribers, he had up for grabs a Michael Myers NECA, which was awesome of him. But then USPS delivered me a box that they took such nice care of that looks like it was delivered by Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. So here we have the box. Looks like it was delivered by a pterodactyl. As you can see, I could just rip it open here. There's a hole on both sides. I don't fucking get it. So, fingers crossed this collectible got to me in decent shape. Not that I have to, but we'll go through the top. Like I said, I could have went through the front where the pterodactyl started into it. But see, Maverick tried to get it to me in good shape with a bunch of paper on top, and then the delivery people thought they needed to destroy it. Yeah, it's crushed. Fucking delivery people. Some damage, but luckily I was able to push in on it and it's not too awful bad. Includes knife, hammer, fire poker, tombstone, victim's head, light up pumpkin, and interchangeable head and hands. Been 40 years since Laurie Strode survived a vicious attack from crazed killer Michael Myers on Halloween night. She now faces a terrifying showdown when Michael returns to Haddonfield, but this time Laurie is ready for him. There it is. includes light up flickering pumpkin, which I won't see because I'm not going to open it. Ultimate Michael Myers. This is awesome. Maverick, you're awesome for the giveaways. The generosity. You're just a cool dude. You're a fellow mask wearer like myself. You do cool streams. You're friendly. And thank you very much for the prize. I'll see you at your next stream this Friday. Everyone check out Maveryk-Media. His link will be below. Well, YouTube doesn't really like to let the links work anymore. I'll just have to add him at Maveryk and it'll tag him. And you can click it and go to his page. He has a great page. Be sure to check him out. That's my unboxing. Peace.